What you want?
The hotel is very big, so you can't really walk. You have to take like a caddy to where you want to go because it's really big. So we can't really walk. It's not like I can just go outside and I'm in the food area. It's a good little walk. It's that building over there. Oh.
Jungle is nice, man, girl. Big up yourself, you know, man.
Steve! Of
You don't need to have best, you don't need to learn.
For this year. Okay, let's get on the scale.
people, we need gift. Thank you for the gift. We need gift. We need some gift.
Fuck out of here.
Hey, man. Thank you guys for the followers. Thank you guys.
Stop comment in a them time, you see me? Yeah.
Nice update, nice family vlog. Wanna get nice video cooking with me. I'm a family for